disgrace, ain't it, huh? Jeez. I can't believe it. Well, there's no denying it now, it is true.
What'd you get me?
Okay. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, that pretty. Do you see her? No, I don't care.
What are you looking at me for?
Ready,
Smiling
set,
for the camera.
Smile.
say cheese. There you go, got it.
All right, I got you. What are you doing? Go ahead. All
You
right.
can open it. You can open it.
Strange little kid.
Father's daughter.
Ooh,
What is it?
What is that?
What do you got?
What is it?
Let me see. All right.
What's in there?
Can I see what's in it?
Yeah.
Nah,
Open
nah,
up.
just leave
Can
it
I
shut.
Show you something? Pull that up.
Oh, look it. Oh,
Here, hold it up for me. Chels, hold it up.
Chelsea, I got a rose doll. Blow it up now.
Let me see.
Daddy might want that.
Oh, Chels, she's beautiful.
Ah,
What do you think? You like
Get
it?
down here. You can
Huh?
just like her, don't it?
Mama Maria might have to help you open that.
What do you think,
I
Don?
like ripping stuff.
I think it's nice, don't you?
Yeah.
It's
I think he
Daddy's
likes
girlfriend.
Daddy's girlfriend.
That's it. That's it.
Huh?
Oh.
I told Terry, I said, don't do perverted things.
Oh. We don't need that on film, baby girl.
You must have missed what he said.
Is she black?
But he has a blow up.
What do you say? You're gonna love that.
She's
Oh my God! Even
wonder,
this
do
is
we
really
need a
neat.
knife
This
for
is
the
like the
You have
Titanic
to
thing.
undo it from
Look.
the back,
And
Mama.
she has sheep.
Mama. You have to undo it from the back.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and she's got a stand.
Oh, look, you got a
too.
stand. Oh, and then they Donna.
Can I help you take these
Because
off?
that wire might hurt yourself.
Because these are
Did you
sharp.
see this? Got this on
Ask
it.
Donna for a knife. Nice.
Ready?
Ask Donna for a knife.
And this.
This is very sharp, Chris.
Okay, move your finger. She's got little bloomers.
Oh, she's ripping the inside of her whole body out.
Mom, I don't need this. It's hard enough being
She
a
needs
stepmother. I
shoes.
don't need this. Man, it's amazing how they got her tied up in here.
Let's see what I do.
Pig or something. This is his daughter's toy. Ask Donna.
Look, it looks just
Want
like her. The
scissors?
hair and
Donna,
everything. Look at the
that
face. Look at the
twisty back
lips.
there.
The lips are exactly the
Tell me
same.
if you can figure that one out. Look, Chelsea, this is a stand that she
Need
can
scissors?
stand on.
Hey, Don, you need a lighter?
And I'll show you how it works. Okay?
What's that?
Melt it right on off of there.
Boy, they
Let me
really
look,
make
'cause
it
you
hard,
guys-
don't they, Chelsea?
Got it wrapped around here.
What?
I'm not sure how they have it actually.
Well, if you ever try to get the wire off the
Put
turkey,
it right like that.
you can do
Right.
anything.
And this will make her stand up when you don't want to hold her up.
That's a good idea.
What the heck?
Oh, there she got it. That's it. No?
No, because she would need to.
Got this little thing coming out of her head.
I guess so. This is how you make her stand up. Do you have her shoes, Mama Maria?
I do.
Oh, you have her shoes to put on her? Okay.
Might just be better to cut it, ain't you?
And plus that little thing in the back of her head
Yeah.
needs to be cut. I don't know why they put one of those on there.
Well, personally,
Let's take it back, Mama Maria. It's too hard. Do you love it? Okay.
Like that, Chels? Huh?
I think to stand up, let's see. You put it on here.
she won an Academy Award for Best Costume Design. You know, this is
That's
worth a
Mama
lot of
Maria,
money.
She knows.
Maria, do you know how to put her on?
I'm gonna fix her hair in the back.
Of
Well, you
course.
don't know how to make her stand on there. Oh, maybe you
It's
put it
easy.
up.
Put it under. Whee! Whee!
Mmm.
She's a wild girl.
There.
There, look. Look, Chels.
Look
Look at that.
She stands, that's how where you can put her when you're not playing with her.
Yes.
And her arms, does her arms bend? Does her
Yes,
arms
try that.
bend?
Mm.
Simon says. Oh, what? Oh.
What do you think, Chels?
Do you like it?
Huh?
She's pretty.
Lot of
Look at her
pressure, isn't it,
earrings,
honey?
Mama
A
Maria.
lot of pressure on you, isn't it? Is that beautiful angel is decorating her beautiful cake. Yes, she is. We got a crazy dog here. Here she decorates her cake. Yes, she is. She's doing so good. Howling it on. Uh-huh. Get that. Stay. Stay. Here. Holly, come on, go outside.
Daddy, look.
Cool.
Did you know that I can make these kind of cakes?
Nope.
But now you do. Call Chris and tell her.
Okay, you be good on cake.
Excellent, Mom.
Oh, is it a okay? Good, hon.
Oh, yeah. Where's your salt?
Oh, right here, honey.
Oh,
There you go.
thank
You
you.
have everything you need right now?
Yep.
Yeah,
I'm
well,
good.
Oh, you know what else I got is I got.
When I'm done, I'm going to show you, Dad, alright?
Oh, take one of these home. Dinner rolls with it.
Oh, no, no, no.
Yes,
no.
yes, because that's why I got it. Because you got to take these home with it, and one of these here.
You didn't have to do all
Well,
that.
listen, Chrissy won't let me feed you here, and you weren't going to have to eat. Then you're definitely getting something. So these are good. I hope.
Oh, that'll be fun.
This with it, you know, I couldn't find. I was looking for like some kind of loaf type thing.
I like
cut.
those. Those are good.
They didn't have it, BJ's. No loaf.
You ever had those?
No, never
Oh, they're
had
good.
these.
They're very good.
These?
Oh, yeah.
Good, I did good. And Chrissy doesn't know it. So I had to get her something too. So you all make out. And so she makes, if you don't eat them raw, you know how that is.
Oh, yeah.
She's bad. So, and this cheese, why don't you take this home with the rest of this?
Ma, I got some cheese, actually. We just bought some last night.
You sure,
Yeah.
honey? Just take it with you, because we, you know.
I bought a big thing of it last night.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh,
Thank you.
that is gorgeous. That is, look at that thing. Oh my God. Your daddy's gonna love eating that cake. Oh, gosh. Look at, oh, isn't that pretty? It looks like little snowflakes. Ooh.
Did you want me to make a snowflake on it?
It looks like it is, I'm telling you.
That's good.
Good. It's hitting the
Very
top.
good.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Can I show
honey.
you that one quick?
Sure.
Because it's still not done.
Just leave it there, honey. I can see from here.
Yeah,
Looks
hold
very
it-
good.
Hold it up like this. There you go. Look, Daddy.
Very
look. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? And if you're good, Daddy, then maybe she'll let you have a piece of her cake that she decorated just for you.
And if you eat all of that.
Only if he what?
And if you eat all of that.
All that, and then you let him have some cake?
Yeah.
Some of that? Okay, well that's good then. Daddy eats, then you can have some cake, huh? But you better take your insulin before you eat this cake. Oh, there that was good. Good hold. Okay.
Will the picture come out?
So, huh?
No, wait.
I'm
Okay,
trying to
ready,
get
go
her down
ahead.
the steps.
Yay! Who's that down there? Donna! Donna! Is it Donna?
You ready?
Turn it loud, the volume too.
Oh, I got to get the other Barney out.
Also, turn the volume up.
You getting your
Oh, I'm
Barney's
sorry.
mixed up?
Pump up the volume. Hey, Barney.
Yeah.
Where's the volume? Where's the...
Don't you like one?
We
I
want
did.
Barney.
This is my
Oh,
Barney.
look, it ain't but home
This is my Barney.
We want Barney.
There we go. Where's it at?
It's on this cake.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, look, Kimmy's got crack too.
My Barney.
We
My
want
spaghetti ate.
Barney.
That's moon over
We
Baltimore.
want Barney.
Got your moon going.
This is my tiny action figure Barney.
Here comes.
It's
Here
my
comes.
action
Right here.
figure Barney.
Here, you want to
It's
sit?
my action
Look
figure.
at him.
My action figure Barney.
Now,
Then
quiet
watch
down.
it.
Now, be quiet.
Love balloons. We're gonna have a party, a party, a party. We're gonna have a party and have a really good time.
Wow, Barney, the clubhouse looks great. We're almost finished decorating.
Yeah,
I'm gonna blow up this last balloon really big.
okay. You know, you're right, PJ. The clubhouse looks terrific. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. It's going to be a very special party. I wonder if Baby Bop has finished with her decorating yet.
Look, Barney! I decorated everything, even me.
My Baby Bop, you did get a little wrapped up in your work, didn't you?
Barney. Is it time to play games now?
Oh, not yet, Baby Bop. We have a Look at you up in the sky. There in the fluffy clouds way up high. Let's shout hooray as you float by. Hey, look at you can fly. Flap your wings and roll You're like a bird in the sky, flying around with them. Then wave goodbye. Hey, look at you.
Wow, that's big or blue or green. See what I mean? And someone saw a silly hat. Got a hat on my head because that's where it's at. Looking because it's sissy.
$300. We'll send you the next half.
I'm tired.
I
Love you, you love me. We're a happy family with great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends can be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Yeah! Okay, go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Heath'S. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Yay! Oh, yay! Yay! Oh, oh. Uh-oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, go ahead. Birthday to you. Blow it out. Yay! What? Yay!
What?
Yay! You got it. All done.
What?
All done. Yay. Oh.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Go ahead.
Yay!
What? What? What?
Yay! Oh! Oh!
What?
Your little squirt thing, though.
You're sorry, that's enough.
Oh! I'm tired of holding this damn kid.
All done.
All done.
All done. Yay.
All done. Yay!
Oh. Oh.
I don't know where it's at with you. That's just...
Yay! Ah. Yay! Oh. Yay! Oh. All done. All done. Uh-huh. Oh.
I don't have it. I didn't see that. Shot on fire running through house.
At least we'll have evidence.
It's done. It's done.
Did you find the book?
Oh no.
Yay!
Who's gonna bite the skin off the cake?
That's Heath'S. What?
Ah!
Yay!
Yay!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay, all done.
Ah! Ah!
Blow it out, blow it out.
He's even getting bored now.
Pour out your fire hose. Stay up on the table and put it out.
That's what I thought Daddy would think
I
of that.
figured no way to the candle. Maybe someone put it out. Oh, what happened?
Ah! Ah! Happy birthday to you.
Huh?
Yay!
How long will the candles last?
As long as you let them.
Until the cake explodes.
Oh, okay, let's not eat it.
Okay.
Okay, no.
I'm scared to take it.